Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Git and Vscode installed, plus the Azure Repos extension. This lets Vscode speak Git and Azure DevOps. Once done, create a personal access token with the code scope. It's simpler than SSH for initial setup and explicit for permissions. Then, sign into the Azure account extension using the PAT when prompted. This stores credentials securely. These steps get you authenticated and ready to clone or connect to a remote repository immediately. Next, connect to the project. Clone the Azure DevOps repo using Vscode or Git clone. This brings remote refs and history locally. Once cloned, make sure the origin remote is correct with Git remote v. If not, add or update it. Create a feature branch with Git checkout b so your work stays isolated. Make commits and use git fetch and git pull to stay synced. Also configure Vscode, Git settings, and enable credential helper so pushes don't prompt repeatedly. To finish, push your branch with git push uorigin feature / your task, then create a pull request in Azure DevOps to merge changes. Once the PR is created, link any work items and run or wait for CI pipelines to validate. This enforces quality and policies. If something fails, check the Vscode output and Git terminal. One key troubleshooting tip: if authentication errors occur, regenerate the PAT. Update stored credentials in your OS credential manager, then retry the push.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.